Hey duckies. Hey chickies. Did y'all find a nice safe spot to sit in some shade? Yeah. Did y'all see a buzzard or an eagle or a hawk? Is that where y'all are hiding? Hey, y'all got hot out here, didn't you? Yeah, it's a hot, hot day. I know it's a hot, hot day. Well, I'm gonna mow some yards, so no, y'all don't bother me. Just get back in there. Yeah, I know. I've been working on this yard here. I do plan on getting all of this mowed and a bit of that back there mowed as well. You can see how nice it's been looking. When you use the bag or whatever you call that thing on the back of the lawnmower and it vacuums up and puts all the grass in there, it really leaves a nice yard. Ain't that right, baby chickie? Huh? Ain't that right? Yeah. I know it. Yeah, you like it when I work on the yard, don't you? Anyway, it leaves the yard looking really nice and clean, even though there's still stuff here. I'll do this and the chickens will come look at it. Yeah, see? They think, oh, digging for stuff. Yeah. They're like, whenever I do that, they think I'm digging for bugs, because that's what they do. Yeah, they do that, look for stuff. Anyway, back to what I was talking about. I'm going to get all this mowed down. It's been a hot day, so I've been taking breaks, going in, drinking plenty of fluids, and I just ate lunch. So, got my belly full, so I may not really push the lawnmower too much right now. But I want to be able to get as much of this done today as I possibly can. I'll show you what I've got done so far on marking out my garden spot that I'm putting together here. So as I mow, I'm emptying out the bag on the lawnmower. You can see how big this is going to be. So I got it around there and back up that way. Going to be a good sized garden spot. And I'm thinking probably what I'll do is I'll just keep adding like that as I mow and totally get this all covered. And then I'll probably put cardboard over it. And then over the cardboard put I don't know. I was thinking of, I need some kind of good soil. But I need it to be something that, not like, dig it out from like nearby. I need to go way back on the property, back in different areas where the runoff and the leaves and stuff have all collected, and where it's all sitting there turning to dirt. And I need to collect a bunch of that and bring it up here and put it all over and kind of build like a lasagna type garden. So my first layer would just be grass and weed clippings that I mow and put there. Second layer would be cardboard. Third layer would be the leaves and stuff that I find out there that's already turned into dirt. Bring it up, put a layer of that on top of the cardboard. I'll probably just keep on adding good mixture of leaves and dirt and stuff like that I find. Eventually I'll probably make another garden bed similar to this one, maybe down through here that way, maybe on this side too, but we'll just see how the future goes. The Chickie's been following me. Every time I come out here and I'm talking, they think I'm talking to them. They're just like the cats. They think I'm talking to them, so they come around and hang out with me. Y'all gonna find all the buggies? They do. They go around and they're thorough. They go around and they're like eating machines. They just eat. They eat and poop, eat and poop, eat and poop. Which is good because chicken poop's good for the gardens. Especially, you don't want to put it directly into the gardens, but you do want it in your gardens after it's sat and composted in your compost gardening area. So I'm going to get back to mowing. See if I can get a bunch of this knocked down. I'm going to try to get around this tree and work my way on down that way as well. And as I do, I'll empty the bag from the lawnmower right back here in my new garden spot. Ain't that right, little chickie? What? You got something to say? You do? Yeah, okay. Why don't you go eat all the bugs? Oh, I saw that bug. Yeah, chase him down, get him. What was it? Was it a spider? Okay. Look at that. There's some chicken poop. Yeah. Oh, you're just a camera hog, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yep. You're my friend. Yeah. Like hanging out. The ones with the little bands on the bottom, we're thinking, that's our way of marking them, because we think the ones that we put the bands on, we think they're roosters. We're not really sure. But as they're aging and getting older, we'll figure out which ones are which. So far, none of them really act like roosters. But yeah, they eat and poop. You just love talking, don't you? You think I'm talking to you, don't you? You do, I know you do. Yeah, you're just like the cat. Always around because you think I'm talking to you. Yeah, you are. Okay, why don't y'all go eat all the bugs? Alright, talk to you later.